Hey everyone, this is Matt here, founder of TwoThreeForm. I'm just going to go through a few simple steps here to kind of show you how integration works. So I'm going to take you through signing up for an account, creating an app, creating a form, and then integrating that with a sample project I've made for you guys. So let's start here. I'm going to go to the beta signup page, which is 2threeform.com/beta signup. And go ahead and make a test account. I'll just use matt@mydomain.com and whatever we want here. Alright, so let's create the account. Great, so now we're logged in. This is kind of the app dashboard. It's pretty simple right now. It's definitely in the early stages. So let's go ahead and add a new app. Let's call it demo app. We don't need a URL for this. So here's a couple things we can do. We can either edit app info, which would be the iTunes URL, or create and manage forms for this. So we don't have any forms yet, so let's go ahead and add a new one. So this field right here is pretty important. As you can see, so whenever someone fills out this form we're making in the app, 2threeForm will automatically parse that response and send you an email. And this right here is the email that it will go to. So you need to be sure that this is the correct one, alright? Demo form. Great, so now let's go ahead and add a form. Let's make one here. There's only 4 things right now: text input, text areas, sliders, submit buttons. You can feel free to drag things around however you want. Submit button. Come on, there we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's take out this slider. Let's do a basic contact form. Also, if you click anything up here, contact us, text input, text area, whatever you want, you can change that. So let's change this to help, support, and I like help better. And let's make this email, message. And make sure you add a submit button to your forms, or else there's going to be no way for a user to do that. So let's go ahead and create this form right there. Okay, so now integration. Download the 2threeForm library. Great. I'll unzip this for us here. So as you can see inside of this, we kind of have a README, a device, a simulator, and a sample project. So what we're going to do now is just integrate with the simulator. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this into this sample project. This is the sample project I made for you guys. So just go ahead and drag it over here, like so. Let's make sure you select copy items into destination groups folder if needed. Go ahead and hit finish. Great. Now that we've done that, as you can see, to make a form, you need 1 line of code, but there's a couple extra steps. So we've got this import line here in your project somewhere, or on the view controller that you're using. So import 2threeform.h. You'll notice that header file is up here in the folder. This is a pretty simple app, just a couple buttons. It has a show feedback and a show contact IB action. And here's what we like. So go back to 2threeform. So here is our line of code we need to integrate right here. We're going to copy that over right here. These are 2 different actions. They're going to render the same form, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and run this now. And it should pop up. We've got a couple different buttons. So you can open the contact form like this. There's a little activity window, indicator if it loads slow. You can close things. And if we submit something, let's just say This is my email. Great, so let's go ahead and submit this. Great, so message has been sent, done. And that's as simple as it is. So that's integration with 2-3-Form in a nutshell. Be sure when you're integrating for device debugging or release for the App Store, you drag in the device 2-3-Form library instead of the simulator one. And that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoy 2-3-Form, and if you run into any troubles integrating, just send me an email at matt@2threeform.com. Thank you.